This is the Intellisync interface system which supports the 21 CFR Part 11. Interface can be set up in the cubicle or near the instrument. The interface is attached to the LAN connection. Only authorized users can access the application. For the product setup, first select the product, then add the product, and finally enter the product details. Once the product specifications are added, the product will be activated by another authorized user. Ensure that cubicles, equipment, products, and various instruments are set up for the process. Select the cubicle where the process will be started. Start the process by selecting the product, entering the batch number, and choosing the rotary site. Ensure to log out of the application. You will see a list of parameters. Select the parameter that you want to perform. The batch number, product, and product parameter specifications will be displayed as configured. Please select the rotary side, enter the sample size, and start the process. During the process, data will be collected from the instrument. After completion, a report will be generated, and a message indicating complies or non-complies will be displayed on the interface. Finally, the user will log out from the interface. Log into the application. Please select the report, then view and print it.